Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious chicken. First, select fresh, high-quality chicken pieces, whether breasts, thighs, or a whole bird. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving crispy skin. Next, season generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite herbs like thyme or rosemary. For an extra juicy result, consider a simple brine solution for at least 30 minutes. Proper preparation sets the stage for an incredibly flavorful meal. There are several fantastic ways to cook chicken, each offering unique textures and flavors. Roasting a whole chicken at 200 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour and 15 minutes delivers tender meat and wonderfully crispy skin. For individual pieces, pan-searing chicken breasts or thighs creates a beautiful golden brown crust and keeps the inside juicy. Grilling over medium-high heat adds a delightful smoky char, while baking at 190 degrees Celsius is a straightforward and healthy option for consistent results. Ensuring your chicken is cooked to the perfect doneness is key for both safety and taste. Always use a reliable meat thermometer, inserting it into the thickest part of the chicken, avoiding any bones. The internal temperature should reach 74 degrees Celsius. You'll also notice the juices run clear when pierced. Once cooked, allow the chicken to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before carving. This crucial step redistributes the juices, resulting in a much more tender and moist final product. To elevate your delicious chicken, consider some flavor enhancements and thoughtful serving suggestions. A quick pan sauce made from the drippings, a splash of white wine, and fresh herbs like parsley can add incredible depth. Marinating your chicken for at least 2 hours, or even overnight, infuses it with robust flavors. Serve your perfectly cooked chicken with complementary sides such as roasted root vegetables, creamy mashed potatoes, or a crisp green salad. A garnish of fresh chives adds a final touch of elegance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.